All right, there it goes. All right, so I'm going to unmute it, and I'm going to put it up so you can hear it. So this is my movie, right? All right, you can hear it there.
All right, Mr. Monkton, well, I'm going to need you
That's
to
me.
sign here.
So now I'm going to mute it. Watch.
Okay.
Right now, we're just going to turn this up.
TV mode. TV connected.
All right, here we go. For some reason, it's not playing. Oh, I know it, because I got it muted. Okay, now we
Just
got
don't
it.
tell my wife.
Don't worry, that's the last thing I'm going to do. And I think one more signature there and we're all set. Congratulations, you got yourself a brand new home.
So you can turn it up and down here.
The house.
You
see?
sure you want to know?
Yeah.
Well, from what I understand, the property was owned by one family.
Right, so now if I
The
go
ladies
here-
in Delray.
That mutes it. You still mute it on here. So you've got to unmute it here, but then pull it all the way
Decided
down.
They had enough of the Florida hurricanes
And that's
heat
it.
and decided to move up north. And the night before,
All right, that's how that thing works. All right, it also is on this carriage and it charges on the carriage. There's your contact. You just got to set it there. So you can move it around the room. So I could bring that over closer to her like this. You follow me? Like this. I can set it here and then we can turn it up. And then I would come over here and unmute it and she gets to hear it over there. Watch.
Well, I found us a killer deal. $200,000 below market value.
Not another fixer-upper.
This one's a nice one.
So you see how it works?
Wow.
So we can put it over here.
Oh my God.
Penny Monkton.
What do you think?
Look at them. Look at all of you guys.
That was 2007.
Peter, I gotta let you go.
We'll go look at it this afternoon.
So anyway,
We'll talk to you later. Love you.
so the carriage is over here, but look, she can put it by her and then really hear it. So that's how it works. Highly recommend getting one of these.
How do you like it?
Easy to put together, and bam, now you can watch your YouTube videos. And remember, this is my video, so no copyright. All right. All right, so we're listening. We got it here. We're watching the TV and playing it through this. So if you can't hear, you can get it right here next to you.
And what's that smell? It smells